Taipei 101, formerly known as the Taipei World Financial Center, is a skyscraper in Taipei, Taiwan. It is owned by Taipei Financial Center Corporation. The building was officially classified as the world's tallest from its opening on the 31st of December 2004, in time to celebrate New Year's Eve. However, the Burj Khalifa surpassed Taipei 101 in 2010. Upon completion, it became the world's first skyscraper to exceed a height of half a kilometer, about 0.3 miles. As of 2023, Taipei 101 is the tallest building in Taiwan and the 11th tallest building in the world. The elevators of Taipei 101 that transport passengers from the 5th to the 89th floor in 37 seconds, attaining 60.6 km per hour, 37.7 miles per hour, set speed records. In 2011, Taipei 101 was awarded a platinum certificate rating under the LEED certification system for energy efficiency and environmental design, becoming the tallest and largest green building in the world. 13. The structure regularly appears as an icon of Taipei in international media. And the Taipei 101 fireworks displays are a regular feature of New Year's Eve broadcasts and celebrations. Taipei 101's postmodernist architectural style evokes traditional Asian aesthetics in a modern structure employing industrial materials. Its design incorporates a number of features that enable the structure to withstand the Pacific Ring of Fire's earthquakes and the region's tropical storms. The tower houses offices, restaurants, shops, and indoor and outdoor observatories. The tower is adjoined by a multi-level shopping mall that has the world's largest Rui symbol as an exterior feature. That is all. Subscribe and post comments for future videos.